Dive into the vibrant blues of Fiji's waters without the weight of packing blunders. Let's unpack the common missteps travelers make and how to avoid them for a seamless island getaway. The allure of Fiji's sun-kissed beaches often leads to the first mistake: overpacking. You might think you need an outfit for every occasion, but simplicity is key. A few versatile pieces like lightweight dresses or button-up shirts will serve you well from sandy shores to evening soirees. And remember, most resorts offer laundry services, so pack light and wash as you go. Next, don't underestimate the Fijian sun. Sunburn can quickly ruin your vacation. So arm yourself with high SPF sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and sunglasses to enjoy the tropics safely. And as the sun sets, insects come out to play. A small bottle of deep-based repellent will keep those pesky mosquitoes at bay, ensuring your nights are as blissful as your days. Another misstep is forgetting suitable footwear. Flip-flops are great for the beach, but for rainforest treks, a pair of breathable hiking shoes is essential. Speaking of the unexpected, Fiji's rain showers are part of its charm. A lightweight rain jacket or a compact umbrella should have a place in your suitcase, ensuring you're ready for any tropical downpour. By avoiding these common packing errors, your Fiji adventure with Far and Away Adventures will be nothing short of spectacular. Pack smart, embrace the elements, and prepare to make memories in this South Pacific paradise. Your dream vacation is waiting, just a thoughtfully packed suitcase away. Book with the Fiji Islands at Far and Away Adventures.